Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to find your Uber driver's number, step by step. If you need to contact your driver about your pickup location, a lost item, or trip updates, this tutorial is for you. On your Uber dashboard, if you want to find your past rides, go to the upper left corner of your dashboard and tap that option. Once you are there, you will see your details right away. Tap on Activity to see your previous trips. Here, you will see the details of your past bookings. Any rides or trips you have taken will appear here. Tap on a ride to view the details. Please note, we are unable to show a live example because Uber is not available in our country. But once you find your ride, you will be able to see the driver's phone number, name, and plate number, all listed there. Simply tap on it and copy or note down the number. That is all there is to it. You now know how to find and contact your Uber driver directly through the app.